This video will help you while replacing the coolant pump, electrical coolant pump in a Mercedes GLE450. Location of the coolant pump is the right side, and this engine is M256 inline 6-cylinder engine. So there are two electrical connector for this coolant pump. You can see, and if you want to disconnect this coolant electrical connection, just disconnect this. First of all, pull yellow one, then you can disconnect this big one. This is the heat protection. Also you have to disconnect the heat protection. After removing the heat protection, you will see one this coolant hose. So also for this one, this coolant hose also you have to disconnect a small one. There are three bolt for this hose pipe, and coolant hose is holding this 3 bolt, and you can see the condition 1, 2 and 3. These are the 3, and these 2 electrical connector, and these are the coolant line. So whenever you are replacing the coolant pump, after that we have to do bleeding with the computer, low pressure and high pressure. So this one easy, just you have to disconnect the electrical connector, coolant line, then we can remove and then do the bleeding with the computer.